Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to transfer data to your iPhone 7 Plus. So let's get started. So first of all you need to go your app store and just tap your app store icon. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. When you tap on it, search share it application, okay, and look for your share it app, download it and open it after installation, okay, and repeat it on the second device, okay. And after this, mark your first device as the sender and tap send button and allow all permissions request, okay, and give it all permissions and hit ok button, and after this you should see a file list. Let's select everything you want to transfer and click on ok button which is at the bottom of the screen, okay. And after this you see the scanning screen. Go to the second device and choose receive, okay, like this, okay, choose receive, okay. And you see on your first phone has an avatar of the second phone, okay. If you already tap on this avatar to start sending file, okay, and your device should start file sharing. Wait until finish the process, okay. And okay, now you can see all your data has been sent to your iPhone, okay. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.